Just one of those like kits you buy. Yeah, yeah, it's not bad.
Whoa, look at that. Oh. How much you spend on it? Whoa.
Oh. This one was like 150 bucks.
DRC 210E. This one's a 1 to 10 scale. It is a full scale car, but it's a much bigger car than the one I reviewed last time. I didn't realize they were sending me two different cars. I reviewed a car last video, and this one has even larger batteries. It's a larger scale, and it has much better shocks. These shocks actually have like fluid in them. They're way more responsive. They grab onto the ground much better. You'll see in the video just how nice the thing drives. Now, this is a lot bigger than the one I was doing in the past, so for that, it can go over obstacles much better, jumps, things like that, and you'll see that throughout the video. It handles dirt, like, very, very well. Not that great on asphalt, though, because of those reasons, but great little thing, upgraded batteries, upgraded shocks.
What are you doing, Nick?
Everything about it's pretty good, and you'll see we're going to damage the heck out of this thing, and it still runs great.
All right, here we go. The 210E four-wheel drive. Chargeable battery, four-wheel drive, metal different, same as the other one. Let's check it out. It's got a little roll cage, right? That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
it's got the spoiler. It's got the 4 mounting points. It actually has the headlights, the LED lights on the outside this time.
Yeah.
Oh, and then this battery. These are huge batteries.
What?
These are even bigger batteries than the other one. You can see the motor. You got your servo motor. This one has way nicer shocks than the last one Yeah. Wow, you did get it to do a wheelie up the hill. Yes! No. What's this called? Why don't you go backwards? There you go. Watch out for the baby.
So I got this unit to review, and I like the products they make. They're cheap kits. Now, everyone always says there's better brands out there, or that you can build your own kit much cheaper, and I'm sure you can. With full, disclosure, do your research, find out. Now, does this one do everything it claims? For the most part, yeah.
Like it's
the 2 batteries,
oh
you get the runtime they advertise. The top speed, in perfect situations, yes, you get very close to it, if not getting it.
Whoa.
And the thing is rugged. Look at this. It's very, very rugged. We have yet to have any issues with it. We probably put at least 20 hours on it so far. And what I was saying is this is eventually going to be a gift to my cousin. He can have it. They love these things. But it's great for the adults too, don't get me wrong. It puts a smile on all of our faces. But we took it to a skate park, we took it to a different park, it was even playing in the rain. It is waterproof like they advertised, both the controller and the unit. And then my brother-in-law has a totally different brand, High Boxing, which they're a great brand as well. But as far as this particular unit, the 210E, it's rugged, it's big. If you want to do some off-road stuff.
He went like boom, chicky bong.
That's what happened to him, yeah. Whoa. That one's the High Boxing one. Yeah, we took it through.
How much did you pay for yours?
Through its run.
Okay, and this is the, where's the brand at?
But his is much smaller. It's like a 118 or 124 or something scale. It's super, super small. So that's the one thing you need to decide is how big of a RC car do you want. They handle completely differently, different turn radius, all kinds of things. But better traction the smaller it is, you know, on the asphalt, things like that. All right, so 4 RC cars later, 3 of them being DRC cars. I checked out the High Boxing car. I've been to also a park where everyone brings like their own. And obviously if you build it yourself, it gets super tricked out, super cool parts, and things are easy to fix. But as you see, we trashed this thing, but we had so much fun with it. It's much faster than when I reviewed last time. The battery is much larger for slightly better runtime, but also just faster. No major complaints. The suspension was way better as far as hooking up, handling bumps, things like that, much better. So I'm really digging this one. If you want something a little bigger that can do the job, I recommend checking this one out. There's a lot on the market, though. Thank you, DRC. I mean, I've you know, they've always only been anything but communicative to me and sending me this and letting me know of any changes that they made. So for those reasons, I dig it. If you guys don't dig it, that's fine. But it was a little thing for us to do over the weekend, and there it was. So that's what I think. Let me know what you all think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch up on the next one.